During the first year, students should expect that, number one, they are going to be taught by faculty who really care about their understanding of the subject matter and preparing them to ultimately be good lawyers. We make a point of ensuring that they're introduced to different areas of practice, that they are introduced to what they'll need to do as they begin looking for a job, that they're introduced to some of the challenges of adopting and embracing a professional identity. As you look at the second and third years, I think that students should expect that they are going to be taught by faculty who are expert in a wide variety of areas. We have a large faculty, and it's an accomplished faculty that's well respected nationally and internationally. So students will have a lot of different courses they can choose from, a lot of different directions in which they can go. They'll also be expected to engage in experiential education, and we have a wide variety of clinics and also externships that students can engage in. They also can take simulation courses, the negotiation, mediation courses, those are simulation courses. They can also engage in competitions, both trial and moot court competitions, but also dispute resolution. They'll also have the opportunity to participate in law review, and because they're part of Texas A&M University, which has a very large and very loyal group of alumni, I think they also should expect that that will be to their advantage when down the road they're looking for what they will do after they graduate from law school.